How's it going, guys? So I did something to my drone. I'm not actually entirely sure what caused this, but one of my brushless outrunner motors is burnt up or something. I know it's the motor because I tested everything else. I even unsoldered it from the electronic speed controller and swapped it with the other one on the opposite side that spins the same direction, which this one is counterclockwise. So anyway, and it just doesn't really want to spin anymore. I'll show you real quick because it's kind of funny. So I'll plug that in. There we go. It's a little bit behind the other ones too. And I'll do this with my toe because I need the other hand to hold this because I took it off so I could test it. So let's do that real quick. I'm just going to arm them so they'll all start spinning. And then this one is just kind of funny. Yeah, so it goes for a second and then it just kind of stops after it realizes it can't figure out which direction to go. So I ordered some new motors. I think this one's probably burnt up or something because I have gotten them pretty hot a few times. But anyway, these new ones are supposed to be a lower kV rating, which is, it's not kilovolts. A lot of people think it is kilovolts, but it's not. I even keep almost accidentally calling it kilovolts myself. But these are 2300 kV, which means 1,000 rotations per volt that you give it. So the new ones that I'm getting are 920 kV, which means it has lower rotations per volt, but they have a higher torque. So it should work better for a bigger drone like this and for bigger propellers, because these propellers are pretty big. They're 10 inches, I think. Anyway, and then I also made some new feet for it. I designed these myself in Fusion 360, and they are beautiful because look at this, it wobbles. Well, first of all, it bounces, which is great, so it's not gonna break itself. Oh yeah, that one's detached, whatever. And if I push it, it wobbles like Jello. It's great, I love it. Anyway, that's it. Sorry, this might be kind of a boring video. Just wanted to show you the changes I've made, and not sure what my video is gonna be about tomorrow because I've been doing this for a few days, probably just more about 3D printing. Or maybe even Bitcoin, so make sure you watch for that one. Thank you guys for watching this one. Make sure you leave a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And we will see you in the next video.